Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with my mates Roy and Fatty, and we're just going to do a mukbang with British sweets and snacks. Let's dig in.
Alright.
What do you guys want to try first?
Up to you.
Yeah.
Start us off, you got to explain.
Let's go with some crisps. So Quavers, just like a cheese flavour one. Dig in.
Seven toast.
I got some Watsits as well. They're kind of like the New Zealand twisties.
Yeah.
It's pretty similar, just not twisty, just more
It's much
like kind of straightish.
It's like, what's it called? Munchos.
Yeah, it's alright, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
figured it
yeah.
out. It's got strange aftertaste though.
Yeah, it kind of lingers, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, so the Watsits are more like the
Twisties.
twisties, yeah. There you
I
go.
don't like twisties.
I like the cheese puffs where you can get.
Yeah.
Yep, that tastes like big cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Twiglets are like, they're always one like, you either like it or you hate it. It's always one of those things.
It's like Vegemite or something.
Yeah, I can never really like describe the flavour.
Oh wow.
It's strong, yeah.
Pretty strong, yeah.
Ooh. What the?
It's a weird flavour.
Are we allowed to use
I'm just going to leave that there, yeah. Bloody hell.
It looks like a chicken bone as well. What the heck is it? It actually tastes like wood or something.
Yeah, it's like a savoury flavour, yeah.
Yeah, that's, oh wow.
It's like, yeah. It's more like, it's a real savoury flavour.
Why?
Alright, quick, something else, get the taste out of it now. Come on.
Oh, we got the Worcester sauce. These are actually really nice, like.
Anything would be better than that.
Anything will be better than that. Let's have a look at this. Oh yeah.
It does actually taste
That
nice.
helps.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, it tastes like Worcester sauce, yeah. It's actually quite
That's
nice.
really good actually.
Yeah.
Feels like making fish and chips.
These are good. These are basically just puff rice with colouring.
Give us a small handful.
Some?
Cool. So puff rice.
Yeah, it's just like puff rice. It's puff rice next.
It's like rice bubbles, but
Yeah.
A lot sweeter.
That real sweet like rice bubbles.
so what are they supposed to eat like this?
Yeah, you see it like that.
That's strange right there.
Need some milk or something with that.
Yeah. I think that's
Make a
stuff.
cereal.
Yeah.
Got some scampi flavour.
Yeah, I'm out.
I don't know.
Actually not that bad. It doesn't like taste like fish at all.
You say scampi?
Scampi.
Yeah.
What's scampi?
It's like a small prawn.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah, you can taste the.
It tastes a little bit.
Got a little bit of fishiness to it.
I'm not a big prawn fan, so it explains my reaction.
Yeah. I'm really interested in pickled onion because I haven't tried these yet. So obviously they're new in the UK
Go for it.
and not being there.
Let us know how it tastes.
Just tastes like pickled onion.
But that's good.
No surprises then.
Yeah.
It's really amazing how much it does that taste like pickled onion.
I see that.
Or maybe just like caramel and chocolate.
Wine makes it sound so majestic. Like
Yeah.
it's just a big.
I'd say probably it's best, probably like a picnic.
Yeah.
The look of it is, yeah.
Yeah, I mean most.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's just like a picnic bar, yeah. But I think maybe easier to eat than a picnic bar.
Oh yeah. A little bit more flat, wafers in the picnic bar.
It's just got the nuttiness, doesn't it?
It's not bad.
Yeah, quite good actually.
Yeah, a little bit softer than a picnic bar, like it's not as hard to get into.
Got the same look though. A double decker.
Yeah.
What's a double decking?
So it's a nougat top and crispy bottom with Cadbury milk chocolate.
Oh, that sounds good.
So it's basically 2 bars in one, and then just put chocolate around it. As you do.
Yeah, I guess it's in the name, isn't it? Oh, that looks...
Interesting.
Yeah, looks like cookies and cream. Or like...
Yeah, so it's just nougat in those cereal things again. Yeah, just wrapped in chocolate.
I get like a marshmallow taste. I don't know, there's like a taste in my can't. So what do you say? Nougat and chocolate.
The flavor's pretty light. It's more texture than
Definitely.
flavour.
I quite like it though, actually. What the flavour there is. That's probably one of my favourites, actually. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh, quite rich though.
Yeah, really rich. Yeah, you do get a lot of that chocolate. Because there's not much else in there. Like the nougat's like pretty flavourless, just like a plain nougat.
Yeah. Good though.
Yeah. The old rebels. It's always fun. I always love seeing who gets the coffee one. So I think, what have we got? It says, yeah, assorted centres. So there's, I think like a Maltesery kind of one, and there's a chocolate covered raisin.
Chocolate covered raisin?
Yeah.
Ew, I've had coffee.
As long as it's not the jelly beans with vomit flavours.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Have you had those?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. I think I had them. Did you bring them home once? Those
Yeah, I think I did, yeah.
So how do you know which is which?
That's obviously going to be the raisin. So if you look at that, that's like raisinous shape.
Yeah.
I think those may be like the Maltesery flavoured ones. I can't remember what the other two were, like the other flavours were.
Alright, let's see what this big ball has for me.
I think this may be like a Galaxy button. I'm not sure if it's coffee or not.
It's like a chewy Malteser.
I got like pure caramel in this one.
I got like the caramel one, that's
That
right.
sounds good, yeah. Did these go off? No? Okay. Oh, actually, they went off 3 days ago.
Still good, still good.
Yeah, so those are like big like chocolate buttons, I guess. Oh, I guess. Obviously it's the raisin. Yeah. Now it's who's going to find the coffee one in these. Because you got one like that, the little balls. So that might be the caramel.
Yeah, caramel. That's good, but boy,
I don't know what that is.
Is it orangey flavour?
Orange, yeah.
Yeah, that's one I got.
Oh, yeah.
So where's the coffee?
It's somewhere.
Is it just like one of them, is it?
Yeah. Oh, I got a Maltese one. Oh, you got the orangey one.
Oh, that's good. It's like a chocolate Jaffa. Sorry to be making this with your bench.
Got the other caramel one. A little harder to get through this time.
So there's no coffee now, cream.
Oh, yeah.
Better than cream.
So it's just like a vanilla cream. So
That's what you
Pretty
expect,
light.
right?
That's what, yeah, that's what you expect.
then you got the bourbon creams, which is pretty much the same, just chocolate.
Still very disappointed.
Is there bourbon in it though?
No, it does sound like bourbon, but it's not. It's
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Is it from bourbon? Thank you.
Cheers.
I've had quite a few artificial biscuits today, so I kind of lost mine. But that's pretty good. I feel like if I hadn't had, I could have done one of the things.
That's not bad, yeah.
Yeah, we got another one of these in New Zealand, I can't remember what it's called, just long ones with a white cream in the middle. You know, this colour with white cream in the middle. I can't remember what it's called.
Yeah.
Tastes just like that.
Yeah. No, I quite like them.
It's good.
They're pretty good.
Rich chocolate flavour as well. My goodness, look at this pile just grow.
Yeah. These, I don't think I've ever had these when I was in the UK. Called Garibaldi's. Don't ask me why. They just are.
That's not a good name.
It's not a good name. But it's what they're called. It's basically just a biscuit with raisins in. Oh, currants. Sorry, raisins, currants, simple.
We got similar ones over here,
Yeah.
with them like raisins and stuff, but not carrot. Did you
What's
say
that,
there was
carrot?
carrot in here?
No. Currants. Sorry.
Currants.
Oh. This definitely seems like something to go for tea. Yeah, it's pretty. Just why that name though?
No idea.
Baldy. Is that the guy that named him?
It is what it is, though.
His name's Gary, and he was balding. So
Just rocking it, man.
yeah, rubbing it in.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Sorry I had to cut the video a bit short due to some editing issues, like some of the footage didn't come out. I don't know, it just wasn't playing, so I just had to cut it together with what I had. I hope you still enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button as well, turn on the bell to get notified whenever I post, and catch you next time.